सरसों दा साग ते मक्के दी रोटी, कुर्ता लंबा ते वोटी छोटी। पंजाब आते ही ना अलग ही फील्स आ जाती है। और आए भी क्यों ना, इट इज द फेस्टिव स्पेशल ऑफ संडे ब्रंच इन अमृतसर। एंड गेस हु माय गेस्ट इज? हिंट चाहिए? Well, she is a Delhi girl married to the Gabru of Urta Punjab. On this special Sunday brunch festive feast by Zomato, I am meeting one of Bollywood's popular star wives, Meera Kapoor.
Hello, Kamya. Welcome to Punjab.
Thank you very much for making out the time for this, and happy
course.
Diwali. It's
Same
a
to
festive
you.
special. Thank you so much. You're looking very pretty.
As are you. We are both in red today.
Yes. So welcome back to India firstly. We saw
Thank
your
you.
beautiful pictures from Maldives. How was the experience?
I wish I could go back. It was, I think, probably the best holiday that we've had as a family. I think both Shahid and I had been looking forward to like a really wholesome family vacation. So it was great. We had a great time.
From Maldives straight to Punjab. I thought I would probably meet you in Delhi or Mumbai, but in Punjab. How come? And how are you spending so much time in the north of India? Do you like it here?
I love it here. I mean, I'm from Delhi, so
Right.
the weather and the surroundings and the food and the vegetables, they're all way too familiar for me, and I'm actually really happy that I'm back. We moved just, I would say, days before the lockdown happened.
Yeah.
You know, we kind of felt like, you know, maybe we should take off for a little while, and I thought we were moving away for 2 weeks till things settle down. Now,
Right.
nobody knew that things would take 2 years to settle down.
Absolutely.
So we've been here ever since, and it's been lovely because my parents are nearby and my in-laws have a home near. So the kids are literally hopping and skipping from one home to another, so it's great.
तो मीरा, आपको घर कहाँ लगता है? मुंबई, दिल्ली या पंजाब में?
It's kind of very instinctive that it's like, oh, I have to go back to Delhi. You know, even though it's been 7 years since I've gotten married, or even though I've been here, you know, in Punjab for 2 years, I'll still say, oh, I have to go back to Bombay. Or so I think I still having to deal with what is home. But the good thing is I feel at home everywhere.
ओके और आपको ज़्यादा सच में बताना, ऐसी कोई दिल्ली की चीज़ है जो आप मुंबई में बहुत मिस करते हैं? बिकॉज इट्स बिन 7 years.
It's the food, Kamya. You know, like seriously, the food in Delhi, I've just not been able to find momos. Guys, please tell me where in Bombay can I get momos, because I'm tired of calling up people and to tell them that, you know, please make some for me. So I think it's the momos, it's the soya chop, it's too much. I don't think I should talk about it because I'm feeling hungry, but it's the food.
हमारा शो है is about food, जहाँ आप खुलकर खा सकते हैं. Okay, and I believe your schooling happened in Delhi at Vasant Valley School and then to LSR College. Any special memories that you have from that place?
College was a lot more fun, you know. We had like a Bhel Puri guy and a Sev Puri guy outside LSR. I think he's still there and he's like very, very famous. Or we would go over to Prince Pan in GK1 and have the momos and the pani puri, the golgappas. So I used to have a lot of fun in college.
I can imagine all the Delhiites out there nodding their heads कि हम यहाँ गए हैं.
Yeah, I mean, I have a list of all of those places.
अच्छा, अब आप बता ही रहे हो अपने स्कूल और कॉलेज के बारे में. Tell me, at what stage of your life were you at when Ishq Vishk was released?
Honestly, I think it's been what, 20 years for Ishq Vishk?
I think so.
So I was 7. I don't really, I was in school. I was like a kid in school. So I don't really remember where I was when Ishq Vishk released. But I remember categorically this chocolate boy term being coined.
Yeah.
So I remember that.
You remember that? And honest confession, मुझे तो बहुत बड़ा crush था on Shahid Kapoor when I saw his first film, Ishq Vishk. Did you ever have a crush on him, watching him on the big screen?
You know, my best friend had a crush on Shahid, okay? So when I
Okay.
told her that, you know, this is happening and stuff, and she's like, oh my God, because she used to tell me before also she had a crush on Shahid. Obviously, it didn't, you know, strike me because he was nowhere in my life at that time. But she's like, do you know I had a crush on him when I was in school, because we're college friends.
Yeah.
And it was fun. Like we still laugh about it. I just
Yeah.
met her yesterday. She, her husband, me, and Shahid. We were all together. So it's fun. But I think I've begun to really enjoy watching his old movies now.
Oh,
One of his
okay.
favorite movies of mine is Chup Chup Ke. I don't know why he keeps hiding away from that, but I love that movie.
अब बताइए फेस्टिविटीज या दिवाली कैसे सेलिब्रेट की जाती है एट अ कपूर फैमिली?
We are a family that loves to celebrate all festivals,
Yeah.
but we are also very lazy by being the Kapoors, So ho jata hai, but it's more like ठीक है, we'll do it over dinner or we'll do it like this. I was
Yeah.
like, no, we have to make it a deal. Like it has to be a thing. So eventually I decided Holi has to happen at my in-laws' house because
Acha.
we just did it 2 years in a row. So I said, now this is a tradition.
Yeah.
Diwali happens at our home.
Okay.
So I always like to decorate the place. I like to have nice food, get the kids involved, in doing things. And so last year it was really cold because we were here.
Yeah.
But I still, did rangoli with the kids, put the diyas, explained what it's all about. So Diwali is more about getting everyone together.
And it's an honor for all the Curly Tales followers to celebrate Diwali with you.
Yes, I'm
today.
so happy that I'm celebrating here today.
So let's begin the festivities.
Let's. Oh my God. So much yummy food.
You're in Punjab. You should be used to it by now.
I'm a major foodie. I'll never say no to food.
So we have lots of food here.
I can see.
If we are in Punjab, there has to be sarson da saag, makke di roti. There's pindi chole, lots of starters, and we've kept something there to tempt you to indulge into some sweets.
Oh God. I mean, like, I would say no, but I love it all. So,
Ever since I have met Meera, guys, she's been telling me where to go in Amritsar to have the best spring rolls, then pindi chole. What are your recommendations for anybody who comes to this side of India?
I would recommend this place called Haveli because it's a really nicely done place. There's a lot of nice things for kids to do, and the kulchas, I mean, I love them. The Amritsari kulchas are just so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो आज हम किससे शुरू करें? Dessert से
Yeah,
या
why not?
साग से?
Why
Dessert
not?
से?
We can start. The jalebi is looking yum, and
Yeah.
besan barfi is known to be really, really good here. So.
Yeah. So Meera, since the show is about food, अब आपको हमें ये बताना है कि आपको हर जगह से कौन सी डिश सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है? तो आपको दिल्ली में सबसे अच्छे क्या लगता है?
I love the momos from Delhi. I
Acha.
think they're just, it's like my soul food, So I miss the momos from Delhi.
और मुंबई से क्या पसंद है?
Sev puri. I love Bombay sev puri. I don't eat it as much because,
Yeah.
the imli catches my throat, but it's like a major weakness.
और पंजाब में क्या पसंद है?
Punjab, I love the saag, the makki ki roti. That's why I've taken some with the white butter and the gur. I love the kulchas. I love the fresh vegetables that keep coming.
Yeah,
I think more than
yeah.
the food, it's like because it's coming fresh from the farm, which is really nice.
Yeah. And do you like eating out? Do you have any favorite restaurants where you like to order in from?
I think in Bombay, I really like Yaucha. I have
I love it too.
Yeah, I think me and Yaucha maybe have like a little bit of a, I would say, a side relationship going on because I love it so much. I treat it like it's my boyfriend more than anything else.
Oh my God. Is that Shahid's favorite restaurant too? Do you guys go there often?
I think it's
or
become
not?
his favorite because I take him there so often. I used to take him there so often.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Since you claim that you're a big foodie, now I'm going to really test how big a foodie you are.
Okay.
We're going to play a fun game called Eatometer. So I'm going to be describing a dish in English. You have to tell me what is that dish, okay, in Hindi. A sweet dish native to UP or Punjab. It's got carrot, milk, ghee and cashew.
Gajar ka halwa, gajrela.
Okay, a North Indian twisted noodle-like sweet dish dipped in sugary syrup.
Is it jalebi?
Yes.
Yes, jalebi.
Right next to you there. Okay. Rice cooked with milk and dry fruits.
Kheer, yum.
A dish made with yellow lentils, milk, sugar, and nuts.
Moong dal ka halwa.
You're a pro
I
at
love
it. Okay. Cauliflower with potatoes, sorted with garam masala, turmeric, sometimes kalonji or ginger.
Aloo gobi.
मैंने बहुत ही फैंसी सा डिस्क्रिप्शन बताया बट है आलू गोभी. Okay. Creamed sarson mustard leaves with heavily buttered roti made from corn flour, and it's a Punjabi winter favorite.
Sarson da saag and makki ki roti.
Absolutely.
With
very
the white
simple.
butter and good.
Yeah. But have you enjoyed the street food in Mumbai so far or not really?
So Mumbai, like I said, I've had Sev Puri. One of my
Yeah.
favorites is Ram Sham in Khar.
Yes.
So I love Ram Sham, and there's one in Juhu 11th Road which is supposed to be really famous, and he uses kachi keri throughout the year. So he's, I think, known for that. Once, I think this was before I got married, the first time I ever ate a vada pav was with my mom. There was a place next to Churchgate. It was raining cats and dogs. And the two of us, I kept telling her, Mom, I really want to eat vada pav, I really want to eat vada pav. We used to stay at our relative's place in Kolaba.
Yeah.
So we went to Churchgate, it was pouring. They just made the fresh vada in the, freshly warmed bun and like cutting chai. Oh God, that is a memory. It's not food, that's like a memory. I've gone hunting for that vada pav place, and I think more than that, I've gone hunting for that memory and that flavor. But like it never matches up, It's always like what you felt at that time because it was raining, and you finally found this place. And we asked many people, like tourists, सबसे अच्छा vada pav कहाँ मिलता है? And they're like, ये Churchgate station पे मिलता है.
But that's the thing about vada pav, सबको नहीं अच्छा लगता है. कुछ लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, कुछ लोगों को नहीं अच्छा लगता है.
Like Shahid likes the one from Mithi Bai College because he's from Mithi Bai, but he likes it because he remembers his college days, I don't like it that much. He really likes it.
So, how did Shahid introduce you to the city of Mumbai? Are there any favorite places that he took you to, showing you around?
I think I have taken him to more places because he's always so busy with work, but now he knows so many more places, and he kind of blames me for the lack of discipline because I keep taking him to new places to eat.
Okay.
This is the most fun show I've been on because you get to eat.
Absolutely, that's the whole idea. And that too in Punjab. You spoke about being an explorer, and we recently saw your beautiful pictures from Maldives. Between the two of you, who is the planner for all the vacations?
Not me.
Really?
I like to enjoy the holiday. I think I'm really good at micromanagement, and Shahid is really good at macro management. So I leave all the big planning to him. With 2 kids and traveling after 2 years, I think that's a project in itself. So I just said, I'm going to do that. And he really took over everything else. And all credit goes to him because that's the only way we could enjoy. Plus, he's that type of guy, like he likes doing these things. He likes to plan. And he likes to be involved, and he likes to make sure everything has a particular order and follows time and routine. So, do what you do best. I'll chill.
Okay, who's more fussy, or rather just paranoid?
Paranoid. I think Shahid's more particular during COVID.
Yeah.
I'm a little more easygoing in general.
Okay. Who takes care of kids on vacations?
I think both of us. But because they get dad like all to themselves on vacation because there's no work at all.
Yeah.
I'm like, furniture. So it's not that he takes care of the kids, but the kids only want to be taken care of by him.
Okay, okay. But is that a good me time for you then? I hope you make
I'm not complaining at all.
Okay. Who's more experimental when it comes to food?
Me, for sure. I like to try everything under the sun, and Shahid knows what he likes.
Okay. Who's more adventurous?
Me.
Okay. Who wakes up first on vacations?
The kids.
So Meera, since you've spent fair amount of time in Mumbai and in north of India, कोई एक ऐसी weird या स्ट्रेंज डिफरेंस आपको लगता है मुंबई के लोगों में और दिल्ली के लोगों में?
I think it's the way they speak. You know, the Hindi in Bombay is not like the Hindi that I've really grown up with.
Okay.
There's a lot of tu in Bombay and there's a lot of tum and aap in Delhi.
हाँ जी.
And obviously now that you're in, you know, Punjab area, the language is also very different and it's a lot more lyrical. You know,
Lyrical and sweeter.
Yeah.
You know, बहुत प्यार से बात करते हैं.
So my Hindi has had gotten worse when I went to Bombay because it's, you know, it's like pidgin language. It's like not it's not pure Hindi, but
Yeah.
it's not like pure Marathi. It's somewhere in the middle, like jane ka, aane ka, and all that. But you know, kanda, batata. Like
You're
I still say
learning.
pyaz aloo. I cannot say kothmeer instead of dhania.
I'm sure these words would have sounded very strange to you in
Yeah,
the beginning.
they do sound strange, but it's okay. We all have our own way.
You know, when you have a voice on social media and you have a strong one at that, a lot of moms follow you, a lot of people who believe in healthy living follow you. What is it that matters to you really?
That's a great question. Like just because 7 years ago I happened to marry somebody who is really famous doesn't mean that like I'm any different from who I used to be. You know, I'm still like an everyday girl. I'm really normal. You know, no better way to reach out to people than talking about things that you're passionate about. Ayurveda is something I feel really requires that voice. So I like to lend my voice to that. And motherhood is something that I would love to have a shared experience on.
Yeah.
So I think that's what it's about. I think my Instagram is probably just about connecting and like saying that, yeah, you know, we've got each other's back.
That's
Something
true,
like that.
That's true. That's true. Tell me, as a kid, when you had thought about your life, you know, has it moved as per the timetable that you had set for yourself, or did you not think about it at all? Marriage at a certain age, being a mom at a certain age.
I don't think, I'd never had a plan,
Okay.
but this wasn't what I thought I would have planned either, you know.
Okay, yeah.
But having said that, I think I couldn't be more grateful for the way it's kind of all played out. And I'm a big
Absolutely.
believer in destiny, so it is what it is, and I wouldn't change a thing
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah. So thank you
Yes.
so much for taking out the time on this special day and sharing this wonderful feast with me.
Thank you for having me and spoiling me thoroughly. It's been a great evening. We've had a great time talking about food, eating food, planning where we'll go and eat. So it's been great, and wishing you all a very happy Diwali, a happy, safe Diwali, and hopefully with all your loved ones. I think it's been a tough year. The last one, we couldn't probably meet all of our loved ones. So I hope this one is full of love and warmth and family and friends. So wish you all a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.